Nikujaga means meat and potatoes. It's recognized as a taste of mother home cooking in Japan, and it tastes slightly different at each family. I love my mom's Nikujaga. I guess this stew tastes sweeter than Western meat stew because it used Mirin, which is one of the Japanese seasonings. Differently, it goes well with white rice, not bread or noodles. I hope you like it. I'll put the recipe and ingredients in the end of the video for your later use. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to not miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients: potatoes, sliced beef or pork, onion, carrots, shirataki noodles, sugar peas or snow peas, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and olive oil. Alright, let's get started. At first, drain water from shirataki noodles package. Rinse shirataki noodles with water. Then boil them in a pot for 1 to 2 minutes to get rid of the smell. Actually, shirataki is a Japanese food, and I was so surprised to get this at American market because I didn't expect they had one. Drain water. It seems like shirataki is getting popular here in America as a healthy food because it's calorie zero. Cut an onion for 1 bite. You can cut whatever you like. For carrots, we have a certain way to cut. Cut the carrots while you rotate them. This is a special cutting technique called Rangiri. I don't know why, but this is the way to make shapes for carrots in Nikujaga. Remove strings from sugar peas. Remove potatoes' eyes and peel the skin. Cut the potatoes for 1 bite and soak them in water. I think it's better to cut potatoes big than small because potatoes are easy to lose shapes while boiling. Heat a big pot and cook the sliced meat with olive oil until it turns brown. Actually, here in America, it's not convenient to get sliced meat. In my case, I have a meat slicer and I slice beef by myself at home. Add onions, shirataki noodles, and carrots and cook on middle heat until onions become transparent. Add mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Then cook on low heat. Add potatoes when onions, meat, and shirataki noodles become brown colored with the seasonings, especially soy sauce. Continue to cook on low heat until the liquid boils off and potatoes are soft. Add water if necessary. Finally, add sugar peas or snow peas. veggies are cooked, turn off the heat and let the food sit in the pot for 30 minutes for flavors to settle. It smells so good. Don't forget to make white rice. It goes good with white rice. This is Japanese stewed meat and potato called Nikujaga. いただきます。Yes, this is my mom's taste. It's flavorful and mildly sweet. Definitely, it's a comfort food. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Finally, I put the recipe and ingredients. Here is ingredients. Again, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またね